Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you KFC style fried chicken. I'm going to add some of my own flavors, masala, spices. Let's see how to do it. Now we are going to do the fried chicken, the big pieces like the.
I like the big pieces.
Today I bought 2 kilos of whole chicken, so I'm going to use the leg, wings, the thighs and everything here, and the breast pieces for popcorn chicken. Okay, so let's marinate this one. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, some salt, some garlic powder. Garlic powder நீங்கள் வீட்லேயும் செய்யலாம். கொஞ்சம் பூண்டை வந்து நல்லா வெயிலில் காய வச்சுட்டு அதை பொடி பண்ணிங்கன்னா பூண்டு பொடி ரெடி ஆகிடும். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து கடையில் போய் வாங்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு பை ஃப்ரம் ஸ்டோர். யூ கேன் மேக் இட் அட் ஹோம் ஆஸ் வெல். Just dry some garlic in sun for few days and you can grind it into a coarse powder, so the garlic powder will be ready. I will share garlic powder recipe in future videos. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. How is the smell, Tanish?
Good. Smells beautiful.
Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can skip this if you don't want to add.
It smells nice because of the garlic powder.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add it according to your spicy level. So I'm adding a little bit extra. We like spicy chicken, isn't it, Tanish?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, do you like spicy chicken?
A little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's
So it's not for light, yeah, then we can have it.
No. Yeah. No. Because you know when you cook like this spicy chicken, I ate like 6 pieces.
Chili chicken.
No, it's not chili chicken.
No, but chili chicken.
Just mix this. And the chicken pieces, I just made some cuts so that all the spices will go in and you will get a flavorful chicken inside the chicken as well. When you bite, it's not just outside, inside chicken also it will be good. So I'm using with skin and without skin as well. You can do how you like to have. But KFC, the skin makes you tasty. It's full of fat. That's why I just did few with skin and few without skin. Make sure in all the cuts the spices are getting in. Now we are going to add some yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yes.
I like yogurt, but not with chicken.
Yogurt, it means not the thick yogurt. It's like a buttermilk. Add bit of water in the yogurt and then
It turns into butter a little bit.
we are going to soak it in. So I'm using store-bought yogurt. Add around 3 tablespoons. To this I'm going to add water, half a cup of water.
Half a cup of water.
Mix the water with
Mix well.
Mix, mix, mix.
Hey, Sumaran. So the buttermilk is ready.
Is it to drink?
You can drink. It's good for summer and cool down your body. So pour in the buttermilk.
Pour it in.
And then,
Pour it in.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Pour it.
I want it.
Don't mix too much. Just cover it with the buttermilk.
It smells like biryani.
It smells like biryani. I want to eat it now.
So just cover it and then keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. If you keep it for 2 hours, it will be really good. So we are going to, when you buy KFC chicken, it's so juicy inside. So if you soak it in buttermilk, you will get that texture. So don't skip this method.
If you don't want juicy, you don't need to. If you want juicy, you can do it.
Yeah, this is enough. I'm going to keep it in the fridge for
1 hour.
1 to 2
1
At
to
least.
2 hours. Yes.
At least.
1 to 2 hours.
We are going to prepare a flour mix to fry the chicken. Okay. First, we are going to add mustard powder. This is just take a mustard seeds and then grind it into a fine powder. I've taken around 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Ginger powder you can grind at home as well. Use dry ginger and make it into a fine powder. This is what I did today. ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க, நம்மளோட சுக்கு இருக்கு இல்லையா, இஞ்சி ஒரு காய வச்ச இஞ்சி, அதை வந்து மிக்சியில் போட்டு அரைச்சி எடுத்திங்கன்னா அது வந்து இஞ்சி பொடி ரெடி ஆகிடும். ஸோ இதை வந்து நீங்கள் கடைக்கு போகணுன்னுலாம் அவசியம் இல்லை, வீட்டில் இருக்கிற சுக்கு வச்சு அரைச்சி பண்ணாலே போதும். You can't use ginger garlic paste. You have to use garlic powder and ginger powder. Then only you will get a nice KFC style fried chicken.
Yum.
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 Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Thyme 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. You can skip adding chili powder, but we like spicy chicken, so I am adding chili powder. If you don't want, you can skip this and just add paprika. Mix everything well. And I have taken 2 cups of plain flour. So I forgot to mention about that. Mix everything nicely. It has to combine together. Mix everything well. Combine everything together. The aroma is outstanding. The spices that we added, the ginger powder, garlic powder, the mustard. So the flour mixture is ready now. Let's take out the chicken from fridge. What are we going to cook, Laithya?
KFC chicky with popcorn chicky.
This is KFC style. It's not exactly KFC chicken recipe because KFC chicken recipe is their own secret. Yeah. So we are going to try the KFC style. We are going to try and implement the same thing, okay? So the marination is ready. Let's start.
Yeah.
So we are going to take out the chicken pieces from the buttermilk. It's been there in the fridge for nearly 2 hours. I'm going to take out only the chicken pieces. Just leave it there. So this is the buttermilk with the spices and the chicken is here. So take 1 piece of chicken. Just add it to the flour. Don't squeeze it, just add it here and remove the excess. Add to this buttermilk again. This is double coating. So just press. Just hold the plain flour, not the chicken. Don't squeeze the chicken. Add as much as possible, then hold the plain flour. and then remove the excess. The layer that you see now, this is what you get, the crispy chicken. Once you prepare this, you have to fry this immediately. Maybe keep it for 2 minutes, not more than that. My oil is getting ready, so meanwhile I will prepare another piece. Yeah, that's all, Laithya. Dip it in the buttermilk. Yeah, and then now add lots of flour. Hold the flour, okay, not the chicken. Yes, add more. If you want more crispy, do more, okay?
I like the crispy.
Yes. Yeah, hold it. Yes. Now just shake it out. You have to remove all the excess, whatever it's coming out. Yes, keep it in the plate. Now we have to start.
And you need to start putting it on.
Yes, we have to start frying because we can't keep this like this for a longer time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the oil is getting ready. Let's start frying. My oil is hot enough. Take enough oil to fry. The oil should be enough to cover the chicken. So the oil must be hot. Add in the chicken pieces. Do not overload. Add So I added 4 pieces, 2 small pieces and 2 drumsticks. Now I'm going to bring the flame to medium because the chicken has to cook inside as well. Can you see the texture of KFC style chicken? Keep the flame on medium. Don't forget that. Otherwise the outside will be crispy, inside the chicken will not cook. So you have to keep the flame on medium. Cook nicely.
So this is how the chicken looks.
Look at that.
Wow, is it ready? I didn't eat
It's
now.
exactly like how it looks like the KFC chicken.
Is it ready because I didn't eat now?
Almost done, like, yeah. It's time to take out.
Yes, I need it.
Look at this. Look at the texture.
It looks just like this. It looks more crispier.
This is my favorite part. I like the wings. Time to take out.
It looks so crispy. I want to eat now. Excuse me, yes.
Look inside how juicy it is. And crispy chicken.
It's hot.
Hot. Slowly.
I'm gonna eat this crispy one.
Hello, Katani.
I can't stop eating. Okay, bye.
Yummy and delicious KFC style chicken is ready to serve.
Look at the texture.
Look how crispy it is.
Look at the texture, it's same as KFC chicken. It's more flavorful. We used a lot of spices to this. Have a bite, like Tanish. Have a bite. Can you hear the crispy sound?
I'm making you jealous.
How juicy it is. See, look inside.
It's so hot.
Look at the chicken cut. Look inside. It's so tasty.
It's so hot.
And inside also it's so juicy and it's so flavorful.
I can see the juice.
So already in Melbourne we are not getting this type of crispy chicken nowadays. We are getting only the original chicken. I don't know, for some reason they stopped giving the fried chicken for big pieces like drumsticks and all. We are getting crispy fried chicken for wings, not for other parts. So I tried this at home. It came out really delicious. My kids enjoyed and my husband enjoyed as well. When you cook big piece, you have to cook like at least 10 minutes on a medium flame. So this is done, I'm going to take out. This is done, I'm going to take out. Look at the texture, it's so good. I just love it. I'm so happy. I tasted one of the piece. It's so juicy, spicy, flavorful, and also I used free range chicken. So in that way I'm really happy to cook this at home. That's the benefit when you prepare anything at home. So you know what oil you're using, what chicken, the flavors, everything.
Wow, very yummy.
How is it? Is it tasty?
Really good.
Juicy?
Juicy, crispy, yummy, bit spicy. I like it.
The end result is really amazing. Please try this recipe at home. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.